welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Sandwich Basket. This puzzle was designed by Akaki Kumeri from Japan. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the basket and then put them all inside the basket. Sandwich Picnic Basket is a part of Akaki's Picnic Basket series. There are 10 puzzles in this series and you can find all of them at puzzlemaster.ca. At a first glance, this puzzle might look not so difficult since there are a lot of space here and you can easily remove parts, but as soon as you try to do that, you will find that you can probably make a couple of moves, but then you will be stuck and you don't know what to do next. But still you have to figure out the way how to solve it, how to remove all parts. And what's make this puzzle a little bit more difficult is that you don't know the shape of any of the parts. But still you have to figure out the way how to solve it. If you like the Sandwich Picnic Basket and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. As you can see on top, there are 3 parts. At least we see 3 parts, but there are 4 parts in this puzzle. So what is going to be your first step? Hold these 2 parts so that they don't go up and flip the puzzle upside down so that this piece will be removed, like this. Now what you can do, you can move this piece to the left or one step this direction, but that's not going to help you to remove it. The quite tricky move here is rotation. Surprise, you didn't know that there are rotations here. So you have to rotate it like this and remove. The next piece will be this one on the left. You move it up, to the right, to the front, and then you have to rotate it. Oh, sorry, you have to rotate it when it's in the middle, like this. Then move to the front and remove it. Now we have 2 parts left, and here is quite a tricky move as well, since you can move only 2 parts together, and then you are stuck, you don't know what to do next. Here is a trick. You move this piece one step this direction, then this piece goes all the way down, and you can remove this part and then remove the last piece. That was the disassembling of the sandwich basket. Now we have to put everything back inside. We will start with this biggest piece, put it inside, then this part, it goes inside as well. You have to do it like this. Now the first piece, tilt the puzzle upside down, the first piece will go out and you have to put it inside the second piece like this and all the way up. Now move this piece towards yourself one step and put both parts down. Now grab this kind of a T-shaped piece, put it right here, one step this direction, rotate it, move to the left and down, and the last piece is going to be this smallest part. Put it right here, rotate and put inside the frame. And that's it, the puzzle is solved. As you can see, quite a tricky puzzle since there are a couple of interesting rotations involved and there is quite a tricky move when you have to remove the last 2 pieces. That was the solution of Sandwich Puzzle. If you like this puzzle or you want to try some other amazing puzzles from the Akaki's Picnic Basket series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.